Hey there, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Today, I'm going to share with you 8 tips that can help you get rich. Tip number 1, start investing early. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Whether it's in stocks, real estate, or other investments, starting early can have a big impact on your long-term wealth. Tip number 2, live below your means. This means spending less than you earn and saving the difference. It's easy to get caught up in a lifestyle of overspending, but if you want to build wealth, you need to be disciplined with your spending. Tip number 3, focus on multiple streams of income. Don't rely on just one source of income, instead, look for opportunities to diversify your income streams. This could be through starting a side hustle, investing in rental properties, or earning passive income through online businesses. Tip number 4, educate yourself about personal finance. The more you know about money management, the better equipped you'll be to make smart financial decisions. There are plenty of resources available, from books to podcasts to online courses, so take advantage of them. Tip number 5, set financial goals. Whether it's saving for a down payment on a house or building up your retirement fund, setting clear financial goals can help keep you focused and motivated. Tip number 6, avoid debt as much as possible. Debt can be a major obstacle to building wealth, so try to avoid taking on unnecessary debt. If you do have debt, focus on paying it off as quickly as possible. Tip number 7, network with successful people. Surrounding yourself with successful, financially savvy people can be a great way to learn from their experiences and gain new insights into building wealth. Tip number 8, stay disciplined and patient. Building wealth takes time and effort, so stay committed to your goals and don't get discouraged if you don't see results right away. Stay focused on the long term and be patient with the process. So those are my 8 tips for building wealth. I hope you found them helpful. If you have any other tips or strategies for building wealth, leave them in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching.